Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of College. Welcomes all of you. Today I deliver a video lecture on priority queue in data structure. As the name suggests, priority queue. This queue will work on the basis of priority. According to definition of priority queue, a priority queue is a collection of elements such that each element has been assigned a priority. In this queue, each element will be assigned a particular priority and such that the order in which the elements are deleted and processed comes from the following rules. So, according to the rules, the particular elements will be processed. There are two rules to process the elements of a priority queue. Point number 1, an element of higher priority is processed before any element of lower priority. There are two kinds of priority, higher priority or lower priority. So, first we always process higher priority element. Second rule, two elements with the same priority are processed according to the order in which they were added to the queue. In some situation, if two elements will be equal priority, such kind of problem will be based on the which problem will come first. So, according to the they were added to the queue, such kind of conflict will be removed. A prototype of a priority queue is time sharing system. Generally, priority queue will be used in time sharing system. In time sharing system, programs of high priority processed first and programs with the same priority form a standard queue. So, these are the basic definitions of priority queue. Now, we discuss delete algorithm of priority queue. This algorithm deletes and processes the first element in a priority queue which appear in a memory as one way list. So, by using this algorithm, we can easily delete item in a priority queue. Now, we discuss step by step. In step number 1, set item assignment info of start. So, information of start will store inside a item. It will save the data in the first node. So, first we have to save data of first node. Step number 2, delete first node from the list. Now, we will delete first node from the list. Step number 3, we will process the particular item, and last one we exit the process. So, these are basic steps by which we can easily delete item from the priority queue. Now, we will learn or discuss insert algorithm of priority queue. In case of insert algorithm, this algorithm adds an item with priority number n to a priority queue which is maintained in memory as one way list. So, according to the priority, we will add particular variable. There are two steps. In step number 1, traverse the one way list until finding a node x whose priority number exceeds n, insert item in front of node x. These are the primary step. In step number 2, if no such node is found, insert item as the last element of the list. So, by using these two steps, we can easily add new items to a priority queue. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Please like, comments and subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpo.com.